What impact will NATO's cuts in warships and aircraft have on global security? These reductions could shift the balance of power worldwide and change how conflicts are managed in surprising ways. NATO's decision to reduce its fleet of warships and aircraft directly impacts its ability to project power far from its member countries. Warships patrol crucial sea lanes and aircraft provide quick air support. Cutting these assets shrinks NATO's reach, potentially emboldening adversaries who might test weaker defenses. It also slows down crisis response times, increasing risks in hotspots like the Baltic Sea and the Mediterranean. With NATO trimming its naval and air forces, rival powers like Russia and China could see opportunities to assert themselves more aggressively. This shift might destabilize regions where NATO once maintained a strong presence. The resulting power vacuum could spark new conflicts or trigger arms buildups as countries scramble to fill the security gap left behind. NATO's strength depends on collective defense and shared resources. Reducing warships and aircraft forces members to carry heavier individual burdens or rethink their security strategies. This can cause tension among allies, challenge cooperation, and complicate joint operations. Some countries may increase spending, while others might pull back, weakening alliance cohesion at a critical time. To compensate for fewer ships and aircraft, NATO is likely to invest heavily in emerging technologies such as drones, cyber warfare, and missile defense systems. These innovations can provide strategic advantages without large fleets. However, this shift requires new tactics and carries risks if adversaries exploit gaps in traditional military presence. NATO's cuts in warships and aircraft will reshape global security in complex ways. While reducing traditional military assets limits rapid response and shifts power balances, it also pushes innovation and new defense strategies. Understanding these changes helps you see the future of international security. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.